Garcia group here. I'm so excited about being here at Churroholic. I've got such a sweet tooth, and look at all of these goodies. So we got a bunch of things to show you. This is a churro sundae. It has cookies and cream ice cream churros. We have the churros and ice cream. This is a cookie and cream churro with chocolate ice cream. And then we have a chocolate and almond churro with salted caramel ice cream. They have so many different churro and ice cream flavor combinations. They also have teas, coffees, appetizers, so whatever you guys are in the mood for, they have it here. We're at Churroholic off of 99th and McDowell in Tolleson. And in case you guys didn't know, Tolleson is the manufacturing capital out here in the West Valley. They have 20,000 jobs per 7,000 residents, which means if you're moving out to Tolleson, there's a really, really great chance you're getting a job. So if you know anybody looking to move to Tolleson, let us know. Thanks.